Today might be a big day for my online income journey. I'm on my way to the post office to check if my author copies from Amazon KDP has arrived. If you've ever wondered how people make money from digital products like books, courses, or print on demand, this video is for you, because this one decision changed how I think about making money online. A few weeks ago, I did order my Amazon KDP author copies of the book that I published a few months ago. So right now I'm on my way to go check if the copies have already been delivered. Part of me is excited, part of me is nervous, part of me is proud of myself. So I'm not sure if I'm going to find them when I get there, but right now I'm headed there. Hey, goody, hey! Today is that special day. I'm going to check the mail and see what good news it has for me. Actually, I've been writing my book, and I'm gonna link it in the description so that you check it on Amazon. So I wanted a copy so that I get to taste what you're going to be tasting as you're reading that book. I'm so proud of myself that I put myself to the task of writing a book and I finally finished it. So right now I'm on my way. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check it out. Let's hope it's there, because last time I visited the mail, I had to go there for a complete 3 months checking for the AdSense pin. But it finally arrived. So this one I didn't want to go there many times. I waited 3 to 4 weeks and hopefully it's there. So here's the key. Back then I used to believe that the P.O. box what was for the big people. We use the what do we call it? We use the advanced technology to receive messages and everything. I didn't know I had to come back here when I was part of the big people. Yes, I'm big. I might look young on my other videos, but look at me. But I guess I'm busy now. Okay, let's get going. I can't wait to get that. I can't wait. Looking at this thing of making money online, digital products are one of the most smartest way to make money online, because you create it once, you sell it forever. No inventory needed, no physical store. With Amazon KDP, your book is printed only when somebody orders it, meaning there are zero upfront stock costs. I published my book, Issues of the Heart, and this book is very personal to me. And publishing it was not just about money, it was about impact and building some digital products. After publishing, I ordered some author copies, and these copies are more cheaper because you only pay for printing and shipping. no royalties included. So today I'm finally going to see if they have arrived. If they are here, this will be my first time holding my published book in my hands. Something that started as just an idea. I'll be so proud because I didn't need any publishing companies. I just had to go in there, self-publish, and sell worldwide. Surprise! This is what was in the mail. What a surprise! My second channel mail is in. No books, so I'll have to come check again next week. Whew! The bed is dirty in here. So if you're serious about making money online, here's the strategy. Publish a book or a digital product, create content about your journey or something like that. Share your experience on YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media. Drive traffic back to your product. This creates multiple streams of income, meaning you're going to get Amazon royalties, content monetization, affiliate opportunities, and personal brand growing. This is how digital products turn into one-time income. So if you're thinking about creating a digital product, this is your sign. Start small. Your first product doesn't have to be perfect. It just have to exist. Today I'm a proof that an idea can become a real asset. If you want more videos on Amazon KDP, digital products, making money online, YouTube journey, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like, and leave a comment below, because I want to hear your thoughts on this. So from an idea to an income, and this is just the beginning.